Today I'm going to show you how to set up your superhero workspace in Illustrator. To get started, we're going to log on to Illustrator and we're going to click New File. From here, we're going to name our workspace Superhero. We'll make sure that our units are set to inches. Our width is going to be 4.25. Our height is going to be 5.5. And we need to make sure that we have 2 artboards available. I'll kind of explain what that second artboard is going to be used for later. Once your screen looks like mine, you will hit Create. Whenever we get started on a new file, we always want to make sure that we save our work. So we're going to go up to File, Save As. We're going to save this on your computer, in your desktop, in your digital media folder, in your Illustrator folder. Now we are ready to place our image. First, we're going to make sure that our layers are open by going to Window, Layers. Mine are already open over here. I'm going to name this Reference Image. From there, I'm going to go up to File, Place, and I'm going to find my picture. Now, if you don't already have your picture saved to your computer, you're going to have to go to the Canvas assignment and download that file, or you could take a picture of this image using Photo Booth. Once you have that downloaded, you'll go to File, Place. You'll have to find where you downloaded it at. If you downloaded it from Canvas, it'll probably be under Downloads. If you uploaded it to Photo Booth, you'll probably have to go into Photos. Mine is on my desktop somewhere. I'm going to have to scroll through and find it. Perfect. Once you have that image selected, you'll click Place. Then I'm going to click and drag this image out onto my workspace. Now, since mine came in sideways, I'm going to have to edit it to where it's rotated the correct way. So using my selection tool, I can go up into the corner. I'm going to hold Shift down on my MacBook, and that will automatically make it click into the correct placement. Again, holding Shift, I'm going to make it bigger to where it fits on my artboard. My drawing is a little bit bigger than I need it to be, so I'm going to make sure that it fits on the artboard, just centering it to the best of my ability. Once I have my image placed where I want it to be, I can lock this reference image layer because eventually we'll be deleting it. We don't want to accidentally draw on that layer. So with that layer locked, I'm going to add a new layer, and I'm going to just start to add a new layer for each part of my superhero. So for me, I'll probably start with my superhero's face. Using any of the drawing tools, a reminder in, as in nice, is the quick command for the pencil tool. You may use the pen tool, the curvature tool, any of those drawing tools that you are comfortable with. You'll start to slowly add a new layer for each part of your superhero until you start to get that detailed. A good thing to keep in mind is to save often, so Command S or File Save, and you are good to get started.